In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter in a tournament here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, once you're in Fortnite, you need to go over to compete up at the very top and find whatever tournament it is that you want to play. For example, we could do the Buff Perry Cup, or I guess we could also do the Dr. Doofenshmirtz Cup as well. So essentially choose whatever one you want. And when you click on it, you're going to see the requirements for this. For example, this one's locked right now because I need to turn input-output memory manage unit on. And it's currently turned off for me. But essentially, look at it. You'll see the time that it starts, which for this one is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. today. And of course, if it's like a certain ranked tournament, you know, like where you have to be elite, for example, diamond, whatever it might be, you'll also see that on here. So essentially, just scroll down. You'll see the requirements. You'll see the point system. Essentially, you just need to make sure whatever time it is. And then from here, just back out. And you actually don't start it from here. You go to the play section and scroll down. And what I recommend doing is just go into this buy epic section, scrolling down, finding whatever tournament it is that is currently going on, selecting it, and then starting it from there. Now, obviously, there's none going on right now, but that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.